Today in this video I am gonna explain how to hard reset Vivo Y11. Press and keep the power key and select the power off option. When the device will be fully turned off, push a combo of the power button and the volume button and keep it for a moment. Release held keys when the fast boot mode menu appear on the screen. Here use the volume keys for navigating and by the power button. Then select the recovery mode. Now let's pick the clear data section where move to the clear all data option. Confirm and start the whole operation by the OK button. After the procedure will be completed, touch the return position. Use the restart function of the recovery to reboot your Vivo Y11 into the normal mode with clear data. After the reset is complete, your phone will be completely reset back to how it was when you first purchased it. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your device. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.